What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can confirm your email in PayPal. And by confirm your email, let's say you guys want to enter like an email in PayPal. You can enter the email, but until and unless you confirm it, PayPal is not going to trust that that email belongs to you. So for PayPal to trust that that email belongs to you, you need to confirm that email. And only after confirming your email, you can make your email primary. Otherwise, you cannot make your email the primary email. And primary email means the email where all the information and all the security code of PayPal is going to be sent. Alright, now let me show you guys how you guys can confirm your email. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to paypal.com and log in into your account. Then click on the setting looking icon over here. Now once you do that, it's going to take you to the security page of PayPal. Once you're over here, you see this email, click on add new. So I'm not going to change my email. I'm just going to add a new email and confirm it to show you guys how it's done. You need to enter your new email over here and click on add. I'm going to do that. Now once you enter the email, what you want to do is you want to go on that email. So I'm going to go on that email to check if PayPal has sent me a security code or not. As you guys can see, PayPal has sent me this email. So I can click on confirm my email and my email will be confirmed. So that's how you guys can confirm your email in PayPal. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.